For this example, we are going to look at present value of a lump sum contract. A contract calls for a lump sum payment of $15,000, and we are to find the present value of the contract assuming the following four different scenarios. You'll notice the hint says to use Table 1 in Appendix B. That's because we're looking for a lump sum, which means a one-time payout. For the first example, we're going to be looking at the years. We need to know how long, what rate this could be invested at, and then the information from Table 1. So for the first scenario, it says that our payment is going to be due in 5 years and the current interest rate is 9%. So if I switch to the present value Table 1 and I find my 9% and my 5 years, I get 0.650. So I take my 0.650 times the 15,000, which is my desired amount at 5 years into the future, and I come up with $9,750. So I have to invest $9,750 today at a rate of 9%, and in 5 years I will have $15,000. The next example, we're going to do 10 years with $15,000. So I switch to the table again and I'm still at 9%, but now I don't want the lump sum until 10 years from now. So my factor is 0.422. So I take my 0.442 times 15,000 and I get 6,330. For the third example, I have 5% for 5 years. So if I switch back here and I take my 5% for 5 years, I have 0.784. So 0.784 times my 15,000 gives me my $11,760. And then the last example is 10 years at 5%. So I flip to the table, I find my factor, and I have 0.614 times 15,000. If I invest $9,210 today, which is my present value, in 10 years from now, I will have $15,000 if I invest that $9,210 at 5% interest.